Have you ever found yourself staring at a screen, trying to figure out if you need Vagaro or Vagaro Pro for your business and wondering, is there even a difference? It's a common question, and honestly, the names can be a bit confusing. In the world of business management software for salons, spas, fitness studios, and other service-based businesses, clarity is key. You're looking for tools that streamline your operations, attract clients, and help you grow, not a semantic puzzle. So let's cut through the noise. What exactly is the difference between Vagaro and Vagaro Pro? The short answer, and this might surprise some of you, is that there isn't a fundamental difference in terms of distinct products anymore. In essence, Vagaro Pro is simply the name often used to refer to the comprehensive business management software offered by Vagaro for service professionals and businesses. It's the full suite of tools designed to help you run your entire operation, from appointment booking to marketing and beyond. Think of it less as two separate entities and more as a clarification of Vagaro's target audience and the depth of its features. When you hear Vagaro Pro, it's emphasizing that the platform is built for professionals, for salons, barbershops, yoga studios, massage therapists, personal trainers, and anyone else in the beauty, wellness, and fitness industries who needs a robust system to manage their appointments, clients, staff, and finances. Let's break down what this Vagaro Pro experience, or simply Vagaro for businesses, truly offers. At its core, Vagaro is an all-in-one cloud-based solution. This means you can access it from anywhere, on any device, your phone, tablet, or computer, as long as you have an internet connection. This accessibility is a game-changer for busy professionals who are constantly on the go. One of the most immediate benefits you'll experience is seamless calendar management. Gone are the days of paper appointment books and endless phone tag. Vagaro provides a clear, drag-and-drop calendar that makes scheduling a breeze. You can view your entire day, week, or month at a glance, color-code staff schedules, and even triple-book appointments if your business model allows for it, maximizing your efficiency. Automated reminders sent to clients via text or email drastically reduce no-shows, a common pain point for many businesses. Beyond just booking, Vagaro empowers you with powerful client management. You can build a robust client database, storing all essential information in one secure place. Contact details, appointment history, service preferences, even notes on allergies or product recommendations. This level of detail allows you to personalize the client experience, making each visit feel special and fostering stronger, long-term relationships. Imagine a client walking in and you already know their favorite coffee or their preferred stylist. That's the kind of personalized service Vagaro helps you deliver. But Vagaro goes far beyond just appointments and client records. It's designed to streamline your entire business. This includes integrated payment processing. Vagaro offers its own payment system, supporting various transaction types including contactless payments like Apple Pay and Google Pay, and allowing you to store cards on file for returning clients. It also handles no-show and cancellation fees, and even facilitates deposit collection during booking. This means fewer third-party integrations and a smoother checkout process. Staff management. If you have a team, Vagaro simplifies staff scheduling, allows for commission tracking, and generates payroll reports. You can assign specific permissions to staff members, ensuring they only access the tools relevant to their roles, maintaining security and efficiency. Marketing tools. Attracting new clients and retaining existing ones is crucial. Vagaro provides built-in marketing features such as automated email and text campaigns, daily deals, discounts, and even an AI description generator to help you craft compelling business bios, service descriptions, and marketing messages. You can also integrate your Vagaro account with social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to instantly post links to your booking page. There's even an option to be a featured business on the Vagaro marketplace, expanding your reach to millions of potential customers. Reporting and analytics. To make informed business decisions, you need data. Vagaro offers comprehensive reports that provide insights into your business performance. You can track payroll, appointment trends, inventory levels, client retention, and even connect with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero for seamless financial management. Inventory management. For businesses that sell products, Vagaro helps you track stock levels in real time, set up automatic reorder points, and categorize products for easy organization. This prevents overstocking or running out of crucial items, ensuring you always have what you need. Custom website options and branding. Vagaro offers a website builder where you can choose from ready-made templates or work with their designers to create a custom site that integrates seamlessly with your booking and payment tools. They can even help you create a branded app for your business, offering a unique, distraction-free experience for your clients. Now, while the core software is what we refer to as Vagaro Pro, it's important to understand the pricing model. Vagaro's pricing is typically based on the number of bookable staff members or calendars you need. The base price starts for a single user and increases incrementally with each additional user. Furthermore, while the base subscription includes a robust set of features, Vagaro also offers add-on features that come with additional monthly fees. These can include things like a dedicated website builder, online store functionality, digital forms and waivers, advanced text marketing, and specific integrations. This tiered approach allows businesses to customize their plan based on their specific needs and budget. So, while the pro aspect is inherent in the full platform, the modular nature of some advanced features might be where some of the confusion originates. You start with a powerful foundation, and then you can build upon it with specialized tools as your business grows. Ultimately, the confusion between Vagaro and Vagaro Pro is largely a matter of naming convention. When you're looking for a comprehensive, professional-grade solution to manage your beauty, wellness, or fitness business, you're looking for what Vagaro provides: a powerful, integrated platform designed to help you get found, booked, and paid. The Pro simply emphasizes that it's built with the needs of professionals like you in mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.